is later on because there is no school today. No buses running because we have lots of snow, guys. Yeah, we have lots of snow. It's crazy how much snow we got. So we're crazy. So that's what's going on, you guys. Hey guys, we got a mystery box. Woo! Mystery box. Let's open it up.
Take it out. Take it out. Take it out.
Oh cow.
Hi. He's cuter than this.
Oh.
You're in the way, Grace.
Grace, are you gonna? You're gonna help?
Whoa! Oh. Ooh. Okay, Silas is getting attacked by a box, guys. Can you save your It's okay, Silas. Come here, buddy. Ooh, things. Ooh, a keyboard. Whoa!
Why?
Okay, go. Okay, just wait a sec, Grace.
1 second.
Is it a 3D printer? No, I'm joking.
Is it? No, don't know.
Does it come with a keyboard?
Yeah. Came with the keyboard.
What? Can I open the keyboard box?
Go ahead. Rachel's open the
Filming
keyboard
it.
because it's awesome.
Silas. Oh, Grace. No.
Grace, no, thank you.
Wow.
What did you try to do?
Oh, it's a keyboard where you can type things. Oh, whoa! I almost dropped the keyboard.
Up
All
here.
right, Gareth got a computer
Towel.
tower. It's a computer. It glows. It's a gaming computer. Good job, honey. What do you think of Daddy's new toy?
I love it.
Silas, do you like the new toy?
Be careful, you guys. What are you having? You guys look so good. Yes, I'm going to this video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Guys, do give a big thumbs up.